Welcome. In this tutorial, we will calculate the sum of all numbers under 1000 that are multiples of 3 or 5 using JavaScript. It is a classic coding challenge that often found in interviews and coding exercises. Let's dive in and see how to implement it with a simple loop and conditionals. Ready? Let's get started. We're looking for numbers that are divisible by 3 or 5. We'll add up all these numbers from 0 to 999. For example, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10, and so on. We'll then display the sum in the console. We start with a sum variable set to 0. Then we loop from 0 to 999, checking each number. If a number is divisible by 3 or 5, we add it to sum. Finally, we log the total sum to the console. First, we initialize the sum. We then loop through all numbers under 1000. If the number meets the condition, it is added to the sum. Finally, we display the total in the console. Let's see some examples. 3, 5, and 6 are added to the sum because they meet our conditions. Numbers like 1, 2, and 4 are skipped. This process continues until 999, ensuring we do not miss any valid multiples. This exercise is a popular choice for interviews and coding practice. It strengthens your understanding of loops and conditions. It also introduces you to problem-solving strategies. Let's wrap this up with a summary of what we've learned. We've built a program that sums all numbers under 1000 divisible by 3 or 5. Using a simple for loop and an if condition, we built a concise solution. This strengthens your skills with loops and arithmetic operations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.